Ladies and gentlemen, we're now in the absolute final phase of the closing. I don't think there's anything else to cover unless I'm going to have to take another take two. Are we okay? Right. Okay. So I suppose it's been left to me just to actually just say a few words about just I think how it's been the last couple of days. I think it's been a world of knowledge, engagement, certainly camaraderie, and some of the subjects that's been put on the table for discussion has really, I think, gives them something to think about. Some of the research projects are very exciting. I must admit that I'm very encouraged. Forgive me for saying this, but the youth that has come through this conference in the last couple of days, I think education will be in good hands from whence they come. And believe me, I say that in full sincerity. The ongoing subjects that have been presented yesterday and today, thought-provoking, insightful. I could go on. But one thing I would really hope is the fact that you actually keep on with this passion that has been displayed the last couple of days. To me, it's something which I sort of feed on. I just love to see people's passion with regard to certain subjects, and there's nothing better than to stand here and get some helpful feedback. And I also encourage, just recommendations. Have you tried this? Have you tried that? Because research is all about sort of trying to select the best route sometimes. And sometimes you come up against a brick wall. And it is just a matter of trying to navigate your way through that barrier. And it's conferences like this, the platform that we provide, helps people to do just that. I mean, over the last couple of days, yeah, it's been fantastic. We've come together, some familiar faces, some new. Please make sure that you come back to us. Make sure you keep in contact. It was fantastic for the trip last night on the boat. It was really fantastic, really brilliant. And I for one thank all the people who have put their faith in us to deliver their papers, the keynote speakers, the session chairs. But in particular, I'd like to say, Dr. Datta, thank you very much indeed for giving me the opportunity to say a few words. So, you're my dearest friend, and that's